What are you doing? Oh, just lay right there and you'll find out. Yeah, right there. Perfect. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Oh, no. There you go. I'm not a burrito. Would you like to eat one? Yes! Hey, wait, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be able to get out of that. Hey, come back here. Lance! Lance, get back here. Stop. Lance, what are you doing? No, stop it. Hey. Stay here. Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Stop. Okay, since you seem to really like the idea of eating burritos, why don't you introduce our meal today?
We're gonna make breakfast burritos!
And the ingredients?
That way.
That way.
No, this way.
Okay, let's start by making the avocado tomato salsa. Place all of the ingredients in a medium bowl and mix to combine. Set aside.
In a medium bowl, whisk together the eggs with the smoked paprika and salt and set aside.
Heat a large non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add the sausage and cook, stirring frequently until browned, 4 to 5 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the sausage from the pan to a plate, leaving the drippings in the pan. Reduce the heat to low. Add the eggs and scramble until just cooked through. Transfer the eggs to a plate. Clean the pan. You'll use it again.
Assemble the burritos. Spoon about 1/4 cup of the avocado salsa onto each tortilla. You'll have a little leftover salsa. That's for the cook. Followed by 1/4 cup of the sausage, 1/4 of the eggs, and 1/3 cup of cheese. Fold in the sides of the tortilla over the fillet and roll, tucking in the edges as you go.
Lightly coat the pan with oil and set over medium heat. When the pan is hot, add the burritos, seam side down. Cook, covered until the bottom of the burritos are golden brown, about 3 minutes. Flip the burritos over and continue cooking, covered until golden, a few minutes more. Serve warm. Okay, so we're going to start with half of a burrito and we're going to split it.
If it will cut, there we go.
Here we go.
Look at how
Here, this is how it looks inside.
they look like our Crunchwrap Supremes.
Except they have a lot of different things in them.
Yeah,
Okay,
but at least the avocado does.
if you haven't seen our Crunchwrap Supreme video, make sure to check it out here. And yeah, let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Mmm. These are so delicious. Wow. You should definitely try and make these at home. They are so simple and easy for just a really easy breakfast. And they are also so delicious. So if you make them, please make sure to tag us on Instagram or Facebook and subscribe to our channel for all of our videos. We can't wait to see you next time. Bye. Please make sure to like our videos, follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and subscribe! Hello everyone, we actually wanted to give a quick disclaimer about jalapeno peppers because when we cut the jalapeno peppers, Lance actually had a bit of a reaction
As you may be able to tell from my cheeks,
Yeah,
it's a little red from
got
a little bit ago. So.
he got some on his hands and then touched his face. So first of all, when you're cutting jalapenos, make sure to use gloves and be super careful about touching your face. Don't touch your face.
No,
you can also use goggles so that the
Fumes don't rush into
yeah,
your
they don't
eyes.
go into your eyes. And yeah, just be super careful because he had a reaction and it really hurt, right, Lance? I'm sure it really hurt.
For like an hour.
Yeah, so just be really careful about that because we don't want that happening to you. But
And a way to fix it, what I did was we literally smeared yogurt all over my face and in the spots where it had pain.
yeah, and that helps cool it. So if it does happen, that's just a way that you can
If it's
fix
really
it.
bad.
Yeah, if it's really bad. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.